As she closes her eyes, another part of her dies. Her mind's messed up, yeah, she just confessed. Anger with tears roll down her cheek, she's dead inside. She's fed up, her heart is aching, slowly breaking. Spends her nights trying not to wake her sleep. She wants a knife to end this life. She takes it out on herself as she tries to shake the hate away. She's so lost in her head after all she's bred. Her mind is set for self-destruction. It's too late for reconstruction. Down on the bed she lays her head and says goodbye. Does she even try to fight this life?